Hi YouTube family, it's your girl Sassy Lady coming to you with another video. Please comment, like, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell any of my uploading videos. So today I don't have any makeup on today, none at all. So you're seeing me as I am today. Today was one of them days, I just did not feel like putting any makeup on. I went to the doctor's today, the eye doctor, and got my eye, scheduled for surgery on my eye, on my right eye. So I didn't feel like putting any makeup on today, but I did want to come to you with another video. So I'm trying to be upbeat because this is who I am. I'm God's child, and I have a right to be upbeat. So I want to come to you today with a bag that I got from Ulta. It's called the Summer Splash Surprise. And this is what it is. It's a skincare bag that I got from Ulta. I believe it's still available on the website, on Ulta's website. So we're going to open it. I have not opened it to see what's in there. The bag is gorgeous. It feels wonderful. So let's get started. It comes with a $5 off card. I guess off of any skincare that's in the bag. So it's $5 off. So let's get into the first product here. Everything is wrapped so nice, so beautiful. Ulta, did really well with the packaging of this. Listen, I want to know if I got my, I'm going to do the Ipsy bag, I think, sometime this weekend, because I got that. And everybody that I saw on YouTube got the summer bag with the people on the beach. I didn't get that bag, but we'll talk about that on my next video. Okay, this looks like some kind of serum here, and it also came with this. I'm not exactly sure. Like I said, I don't have my glasses, and I can't really see too good out of this eye right now. And also it came with a pretty good bit of items here. It wasn't that expensive. That's why I jumped on it. I'm on a budget. I can only spend so much money a month now with everything going on. Also, it came... So I hate to not have everything listed. So I just have to show you what it is. Hoping that this, that the camera catches what it is. And then it came with another sample. Because these are all sample size. These are all sample size items, as far as I know, because like I said, I didn't go into the bag. Okay, the next item. Ooh. Sorry, I'm unwrapping. Because like I said, I did not open it before now. And if I have a chance on my next video, I will have it listed of everything. But you could go on Ulta's website, and they will have the items listed, what they are, and all that. So, let's see. Come on, Pat. Patricia, come on, get it out the bag. And I like that it's like 2 in each wrapping. So you're getting an awful lot of product here. Here's the next product. You see I have polished my nails. And I have a ring from my business. This is one of my collections that I sell. So if you're interested in any of my, items, hit a girl up and let her know. So this is one of the other items. I hope you can see. And then there's another item here. Like I said, there's a pretty good bit of sample items. I'm trying to turn it so you can see. what it is. I think I'm going to have a good time with this stuff. I'm going to enjoy my items. Okay, and then here's the next set of items. Wow, you get a lot of items in this bag. A lot of sample bag, right? A lot of sample items in this bag. See, the girl does have dark circles under her eyes. So I have been using the skin regimen with my eyes, and they have gotten better. Seems like they've gotten better, but they're still dark. And I'm not worried about that because makeup will cover all of this. When I do my makeup, it covers all of that. Okay, and this ring here, this one is part of my collection also. And of course you see the bracelets. I wear them all the time, so you see them all the time. Okay, and here's another item. The writing is so small on these items, my goodness. I don't know if that's the front or the back, but I'm going to show you both so you can get a view of both, the front and the back. And then here's another item that was in the bag. Well, to put a lot of samples in this bag, and it was well worth the money. Well worth the money. Okay, I'm still digging. Still digging. And I do believe that was the last item. The rest was all packaging. But it's well worth it. So if you're interested, go to Ulta's website and you will find it. You get one. The bag is beautiful. The inside. You can wipe it out. It's nice. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last and final is 8. 8 items in that bag. And the bag is gorgeous. I love it. It's perfect for the summer with some jeans. If you just want to use the bag, you can just use the bag, put some other items in here, and be on your way. It's gorgeous. Look at the tassel on the back. It's nice. It's that rope tassel. It's very nice. Very, very nice. Very well put together. Has a zipper. Loving it. Loving it. Loving it. And then I got my, oh gosh, I have things here. I'm getting ready to go through my eyeshadow palette. I have a whole tote full of eyeshadow palettes. The Allure Box. It comes with this packaging, tells you what's in the item. It came with this item here. I love Allure. Allure is a very nice subscription bag. It came with this also. This is a full size. This is full size. Loving it, loving it, loving it. This is what it looks like. And what else did I get in here? And I also got, I think this is the right side. I think it's the right side. I also received this in the bag, in the box. And this, I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this one. And then of course, this is what everyone got in their Allure bag. It's the nails. And I think I'm gonna give this to my daughter. She might like this. She really might like this. So I'm going to give that to her. And then it came with this facial mask, which if you look at my videos, you know that I love a good facial mask. I'm shiny today. I've been out shopping to get essentials after I came from the doctors. You know, I'm blessed and highly favored. So I was able to go to the doctors and go to get some essentials afterwards. And like I said, I had the mask on, so I didn't feel like putting any makeup on. But here's what the mask looks like. It comes with the oil. This was in the Allure bag. Comes with the oil and then the sheet mask. Love a good sheet mask. So I got 1, 2, 3. This is a full size, 3. And of course, this is full size. And the facial mask is full size. Then I got this in the box. Let's see. I was starting to open this. It's a lip oil. Very pretty. It goes on. It's kind of sheer. Matter of fact, let me put a little bit on. It's very nice. This is the Doleful applicator. It's very nice. It has like a nice fruity smell. And you can feel the oil. Can't see, there's no really color. It's like just a lip oil, you know. The oil doesn't have a color, has a nice smell. And this here, I don't know if I'm going to use this or not, but this also came in the box, in my Allure box. All this is in the Allure box. Let me see what this looks like. Well, it's sealed, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this either. It's sealed. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that either. So I'm going to put this back in there. I'm not going to open it. But this also came in the Allure box. The Allure box, I believe the Allure box is like $12 to $15 for the box. Came very well packaged. Everything was nice and neat. I love it. And I really don't have too much to, you know, and much more to with this video. Just comment, very nice comments. Be very loving and caring and kind when you comment. Like, subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel because that helps a girl out. I'm trying to do more than 1 or 2 videos a week. So, like, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. I just want to keep mentioning it. Subscribe to a girl's channel. And click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload another video. I want to also say that this week has been very wonderful, as always. Like I said, I'm blessed and highly favored. And when I say I'm highly favored by God because I am His child. And so are you. So you are blessed and highly favored. Sometimes we don't feel like we're blessed and highly favored, especially with everything that's going on. You know, in a lot of places, in a lot of homes, money is tight. But, you know, God always provides. You know, there's going to be ways and means to make things happen for you. Just stay patient. Trust God. Keep praying. And He does answer prayers. Sometimes not right away because He's always on time. Sometimes it's not when we want Him, but it's when He wants to do it. And He said He will always be with us. He said He would never leave us nor forsake us. So, you know, just keep being encouraged. And if you need to chat, hit a girl up. We'll chat. Like I said, I have some things I want to do with my channel. But I need your help. I need your information. I need your feedback. I need you to comment. I need you to like the video. And I need you to subscribe to the video, to my videos. So be encouraged. That's all I want to say for right now. Be encouraged. God is with you. He will never leave you. He will never forsake you. He's with you always. He's a provider. It's just so much I can say about my Father in heaven. So you know what? Just keep a smile on your face and just be encouraged because He's with you. Have a wonderful evening, wonderful day, whenever what time you're looking at my video, and be blessed and have a great evening. Have a wonderful day.